Developing news, a vote to eliminate the religious exemption for childhood vaccines passed the Public Health Committee. You watch this news break live at 5 o'clock tonight. The committee voted to push the bill forward 14-11. And as soon as that vote was made, angry demonstrators confronted lawmakers. Our chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff was right in the middle of all of it. She's live now at the Legislative Office building where protesters have been all day long and making their presence certainly known, Susan.
They certainly were, Dennis. This has been a very loud and long day here at the Legislative Office building. A lot of those protesters came here this morning as soon as the public hearing started. And just after the vote came in at 5 o'clock tonight, they were ready to tell lawmakers what they thought about how they voted. Those who voted yes to eliminate the religious exemption, like Senator Anwar, were confronted immediately after voting.
Those voting yea 14, those voting nay 11.
Reaction was swift from both sides.
I am disappointed in the vote, but it is a 5-week session. I believe that these people of Connecticut can delay it. They can. I don't think people should be too terribly upset yet.
The session is about 13 weeks, and those against vaccines say they'll keep fighting. The anti-vaccine movement is a strong one. There were many here from Connecticut as well as New York and other surrounding states. However, those who support vaccines say this is an important health issue, and we are seeing an increase in measles cases.
It's a further protection to the children in this state that need vaccines to keep them safe from vaccine-preventable diseases. It's not perfect, and I don't agree with some of the amendments, but we're moving forward.
In addition to the bill passing, an amendment passed as well. It allows parents currently using the religious exemption not to vaccinate their children to continue doing so. The bill, if passed by the General Assembly, would only apply to new requests. The Connecticut Department of Public Health says close to 8,000 public school children are not vaccinated, with parents using the religious exemption. And the number of religious exemptions has tripled. The medical community says we shouldn't wait for an epidemic. All Republicans voted against this bill, including 2 Democrats. Was this a tough vote for you?
No, absolutely not. This was a vote of conviction that mothers have the right to protect their children, and government shouldn't be getting involved in this decision.
One group, Informed Choice Connecticut, which is against vaccines, is taking issue with the Department of Public Health, saying that their numbers are not accurate. But the Department of Public Health is standing by their numbers and saying that they are accurate, and pointing again to the fact that they say that in the past 10 years, the number of measles cases or the religious exemptions has tripled. So now what with the bill? Again, this is only preliminary. It now goes to the General Assembly for a full vote this legislative session. We are live in Hartford. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.